Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Clash with Megatron. This time I actually want to show you guys, I want to break down a lava loon attack. Sorry, this is a go lava loon attack. So what I want to do here is I want to break down how loons work and how to keep loons alive with this kind of attack. So I'm going to go ahead and play this video. Obviously with a go lava loon, the first thing that you want to try to do is you want to try to create a proper funnel and take out two air defenses, at least two air defenses. I actually messed up with this attack, kind of a horrible example actually of a funnel. Could have done a lot better job funneling. See there, the king goes astray. He could have helped a lot to get that second air defense. Really late on the queen drop as well, but I used the CC to draw her into that center target area to at least get one of those defenses. I did miss that bottom AD on the right there in this funnel. So you really, funnel is key. You want to try to get that funnel perfect. If you don't, it really could mess up your attack. On this attack, it didn't matter, mainly because they're such low defenses. But what I want to do is I want to show you guys how loons work. So I'm going to pause this real quick and I'm going to show you, I'm just going to break down what I'm going to do. So you can see I've got three air defenses now that I have to take out, right? So the queen is targeting this expo here and she's trying to take that down. Now I'm going to drop my lava hounds. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drop the CC hound. Now I've seen a lot of people dropping hounds. So this is the AD that I'm going to target next. This one right here, just about between 12 and 1 o'clock. I've seen a lot of people drop hounds around 12 o'clock or around 1 o'clock because it's closer to that AD. The problem is I have all this stuff over here that I still have to take out. So I want to take this out on my way to this. So I need to use, the point of these lava hounds is to use them to tank for my loons. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to drop my loon approximately over here in this area around 10 to 11-ish. And I'm not going to drop them over the cannon. What I'm going to do is drop them right in between. I'm going to drop the hound right in between this arrow tower and this wizard tower so that they target that hound. While they target that hound, I'm going to drop loons in two different directions. I'm going to drop one here and I'm going to drop one here right above the army camp. The reason for that is if you look behind that arrow tower, you're going to see the wizard tower and you're going to see the cannon. So what I want my loons to do when they hit this arrow tower is I want them to separate. I want one to target and go after this cannon, and I want one to target and go after this wizard tower. So to do that, if I place one loon on this side of the arrow tower and one loon on this side, they're both going to come in, target it, but when they split, they're going to split and both go opposite directions for those defenses. So that's how loons work when you drop this. Just keep that in mind. Also, I have all this stuff up here, so I want to take out this air defense, and then I want to keep my loons moving to this this first AD again over here. So I'm going to drop one loon at the top here to take out that cannon. That loon will funnel in and take out this little stuff here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop my second hound again in between these air defense, these defenses that target air, so that it goes after this, and then I can just drop a loon behind it to take out this air defense. Now here's the trick. So I'm going to do a sacrificial loon over here, and I'll tell you why. So these air defenses here, when these loons finish up taking out this first AD, what they're going to want to do is head to this wizard tower, and then head to this arrow tower, and then the cannon, then back to this air defense. So to take away from that and to keep them centralized, so all they have to do is take out this wizard tower and this expo, is I'm going to drop a couple sacrificial loons and a spell to take out these first two defenses so that they can go straight after that air defense. Because what's going to happen is I'm going to need that third hound to drop over here in between these defenses to target and take out this last AD. So I'm going to go ahead and play this and show you guys how this works. So here you go. Queen's just wrapping up, taking away some of these defenses here. And then you can see in just a second, I'm going to take down that Tesla. As the Tesla goes down, here comes that hound now right over the arrow tower. See, targeting that one loon here on this side, one on this side. Now watch what happens with that loon when it breaks. See, it's going to go, two are going to go after the cannon, two after the wizard tower. So very key. Second loon comes down just a little late, but there go the defenses there. There's my sacrificial loons over here at the arrow tower to take that down, to keep them funneling. I will lose those loons. But now watch what happens. See, this hound goes straight for that one there, and then these loons are going to follow, take out the Whiz Tower, the Expo, that Tesla in the middle, which is necessary, and then they're going to take out that AD. The last hound comes down, see that? And then I split them on both sides so that, again, they go to the separate defenses there. So again, very key. If you drop them, you want to make sure that you drop those loons on different sides for the defenses you want targeted behind. If you drop all the loons in one same spot, one, you have air bombs that they can die on very quickly, so you never want to bunch them up too much, and two, they'll always go to the same defense. But you want to try to take out multiple defenses with them that are targeting them as soon as possible. So just want to give you guys some quick pointers on that, on the loon drops, how the loons work, how they move and operate with defenses, because it's really strategic when doing this loon attack, specifically Go Lava Loon, or whether you're trying to do Pentaloon or whatever it may be. So just want to give you guys some pointers on that. Hope this helps in your loon attacks. Good luck, wish you the best, and thanks for watching.